Go ahead, breathe easy. My name is Jeff Zvolanek. I'm an industrial engineer for Industrial Maid, based out of Cortland, Nebraska. I'm one of the people that helped design the T-Series units. In fact, we sold more than 25,000 of these units into the industrial and commercial markets the last 15 years. It's a pretty unique design. This is a system that will filter just the general ambient air. It is a carbon steel frame, and we use a kind of unique polyethylene plastic as a coating on the outside, or panels on the outside. We chose this design. This is a recycled material. It has some virgin plastic along with recycled plastic bottles. So this will help make this unit lighter, quieter, much easier for us to assemble rather than a painted system. We do build these out of steel in various colors also. So this system will pull air in both ends and filter it, exhaust back out. This is a four-way louver. You can adjust the air in directionally where you want it to. So all of the clean air comes out of here. These can be mounted against the wall. We can chain or all thread rod hang them, or we do build stands for them. So the air goes in both ends. I'm going to show you a couple different filter combinations today. This is just a very simple filter saver. This goes on the end with the hooks. This is just a 2-inch polyester arrestance media. This will take out any very high loading dusts, for example, wood dust, plastic, ceramics, things like that. Then we have the next stage of filter, which is a 24x4 4-inch MERV 10 pleat. This will take out the next smaller series of materials. It's a V-style pleat for heavy loading. And on this end of this is our typical bag style fiberglass medium. This is a very versatile, it's a 10 pocket medium. This will loft materials inside. It is designed to work on dry or wet materials, so this works very good for oily welding, oil mist, oil applications, as well as dry particulate. So we move air through all of this and collect all of the dirt, medium, and that inside the filter. On the other end, we have a bit different, and of course, this is the same filter saver, so it's the 2-inch poly. We have the 4-inch MERV filter also, take out the next level, but this end I'm going to show you has a special filter, which is one of our 26-pound blend, carbon blend filters. So you can see there's V-banks here. I have the V-banks of a carbon blend. This filter will take out VOCs, volatile organic compounds. So you can use this style of unit in areas where you're doing things that create organic compounds that you want to take out of the air, some of the odors and such. So this would go in both ends, and you could filter through and then exhaust the clean air back out. Inside the unit, this is actually a 2-horsepower 3500 CFM unit. It's a belt drive, has a 10x10 belt drive forward curve fan, so we'll pull air in both ends and exhaust straight out of the system. This is wired to a junction box on top. As far as the motor itself, we do something a little unique in the industry. A lot of our customers are starting to use variable frequency drives. We use the high efficiency ABB motors, and this is an Aegeus ring. This ring is a grounding ring to dissipate the electronic fields that build up in the motor and protect the motor shaft from any fluting or degradation. The last thing on this, we commonly use VFDs on these, and we have programs for each of our motor horsepowers, but this is a very simple pack. We can program it, you can take it to your computer. It's a simple start-stop, and it allows you to control it very easily. On our program for this system, it is set up so that as the filters load up, the unit will actually speed up and maintain the adjusted CFM. So again, this is a general ambient style unit. It's designed to work in commercial industrial applications. If you want any further details on it, you can certainly contact us by phone or visit our website at Industrial Maid. Go ahead, breathe easy.